Hello viewers of AraaTech. Once again, today we are presenting a new video, a very crucial subset of machine learning, a very crucial part, Kaggle. Kaggle, its role, its definition and its details. Let's start the topic. Kaggle is a popular platform for data science and machine learning competitions, community and collaboration. It was founded in 2010 and acquired by Google in 2017. Kaggle provides datasets, competitions, courses, and a community of data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts to foster learning, collaboration, and innovation in the field. Competitions. Kaggle competitions are at the heart of the platform. These competitions range from predictive modeling challenges to image recognition tasks and natural language processing problems. Problem statement. Competitions start with a clear problem statement and a dataset. This could be anything from predicting housing prices based on historical data to classifying images of handwritten digits. Evaluation. Each competition specifies an evaluation metric to judge the performance of the models submitted by participants. This metric could be accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, or any other relevant measure depending on the problem. Leaderboard. Kaggle maintains a public leaderboard where participants can see how their models perform relative to others. However, only a portion of the dataset known as the public leaderboard dataset is used for this ranking. The final rankings are based on performance on a separate dataset known as the private leaderboard, which is not revealed until the end of the competition. Prizes and recognition. Some competitions offer cash prizes, Kaggle medals, or other forms of recognition for the top performing participants. However, many participants join competitions primarily for the learning experience and the opportunity to showcase their skills to the data science community and potential employers. Datasets. Kaggle hosts a vast repository of datasets across various domains. These datasets are contributed by the community or provided by organizations for specific challenges or research purposes. Here are some key features of Kaggle datasets. Accessibility. Datasets on Kaggle are easily accessible for exploration, download, and analysis. Users can search for datasets by keywords, categories, or tags, making it convenient to find relevant data for their projects. Quality and diversity. Kaggle datasets cover a wide range of topics and come in different formats, including CSV files, JSON files, images, and more. Users can explore datasets with varying sizes and complexities, catering to both beginners and experienced data scientists. Community contributions. Users can contribute their datasets to Kaggle, thereby enriching the platform and fostering collaboration with the community. Contributed datasets undergo a review process to ensure quality and relevance before being made available to other users. Courses. Kaggle offers free courses and learning resources to help users improve their data science and machine learning skills. These courses cover fundamental concepts, advanced techniques, and practical applications in a structured and interactive format. Here is what you can expect from Kaggle courses. Curated content. Kaggle courses are curated by experts in the field and cover a wide range of topics, including Python programming, data visualization, machine learning algorithms, deep learning, and more. Hands-on learning. Courses on Kaggle emphasize hands-on learning through coding, exercises, and real-world projects. Users can apply concepts learned the courses to real datasets and competitions, reinforcing their understanding and skills. Self-paced learning. Users can learn at their own pace and track their progress through interactive lessons and quizzes. Courses are designed to accommodate beginners as well as experienced practitioners looking to expand their knowledge and expertise. Community support. Kaggle courses are integrated with the platform's community features, allowing users to ask questions, seek help, and engage with fellow learners. This community support enhances the learning experience and fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing. Community. Kaggle has a vibrant and supportive community of data scientists, machine learning practitioners, educators, and enthusiasts. Here is what you can expect from the Kaggle community. Forums and decisions. Kaggle forums provide a platform for users to ask questions, share insights, and engage in discussions on various data science topics. Users can seek help with coding problems, discuss techniques, share project ideas, and connect with like-minded individuals. Collaboration opportunities. The Kaggle community fosters collaboration through shared projects, kernels, Jupyter notebooks, and competitions. Users can collaborate on kernels, participate in team-based competitions, or join specialized groups focused on specific topics or domains. Knowledge sharing. Kaggle users regularly share their insights, best practices, and tutorials through blog posts, kernels, and discussions. This knowledge sharing enriches the community and helps users learn from each other's experiences and expertise. Networking. Kaggle provides opportunities for users to network with industry professionals, recruiters, and fellow enthusiasts. Many companies actively engage with the Kaggle community, offering job opportunities, internships, and collaboration opportunities to talented individuals. Problem statement and datasets. Each Kaggle competition begins with a clearly defined problem statement and a dataset provided by the competition sponsor or host. The problem statement could involve tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, or recommendation depending on the competition's objectives. Competitions cover a wide range of domains, including but not limited to finance, healthcare, retail, and technology. Participant registration. Individuals or teams register to participate in the competition through the Kaggle platform. Participants can join competitions as individuals or form teams, collaborating with others to develop and improve their models. Competition timeline. Training phase. Participants download the training dataset and use it to develop their predictive models. Validation phase. Participants submit their predictions on a validation dataset if provided to assess the performance of their models and iterate on them. Testing phase. Participants submit their final predictions on a test dataset which is used for evaluation and leaderboard ranking. Leaderboard freeze. At a certain point in the competition timeline, typically near the end, the public leaderboard is frozen and participants' ranking are based on their performance on a hidden test dataset. Final evaluation. After the competition concludes, Kaggle evaluates participants' final submissions on a separate private leaderboard, which is then revealed along with the winners. Evaluation matrix. Each competition specifies one or more evaluation matrix used to assess the performance of participants' predictive models. Common evaluation matrix include accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, mean squared error, and area under the ROC curve, AUC, among others. Participants optimize their models to maximize the chosen evaluation matrix based on the competition's objectives. Leaderboard and rankings. Kaggle maintains a public leaderboard throughout the competition where participants can see their rankings relative to others based on their performance on a portion of the dataset. The public leaderboard provides immediate feedback to participants and encourages competition and collaboration within the community. However, the final rankings are based on participants' performance on a separate private leaderboard, which is not revealed until after the competition concludes. This ensures fairness and prevents overfitting to the public leaderboard. Prizes and recognition. Some Kaggle competitions offer prizes, awards, or recognition for the top performing participants or teams. Prizes could include cash rewards, Kaggle medals, job opportunities, or other forms of recognition sponsored by the competition host. However, many participants join competitions primarily for the learning experience, exposure to real-world problems, and the opportunity to showcase their skills to the data science community and potential employers. Overall, Kaggle competitions provide a platform for data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts to hone their skills, tackle real-world problems, and compete for recognition and rewards. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a beginner looking to gain hands-on experience, Kaggle competitions offer a challenging yet rewarding environment to test and showcase your predictive modeling capabilities. Accessibility and diversity. Kaggle hosts a diverse collection of datasets spanning numerous domains including finance, healthcare, social sciences, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Users can easily access, explore, and download datasets from Kaggle's platform, making it a convenient resource for research, analysis, and project development. Contribution and curation. Datasets on Kaggle are contributed by the community, organizations, or hosted by Kaggle itself for specific challenges, competitions, or research purposes. Community contributed datasets undergo a review process to ensure quality, relevance, and adherence to Kaggle's guideline before being made available to other users. This collaborative approach enriches the dataset repository and fosters knowledge sharing within the community. Quality assurance. Kaggle maintains high standards for dataset quality, requiring contributors to provide clear documentation, proper attribution, and appropriate licensing for their datasets. Users can rely on Kaggle's review process and community feedback to assess the quality and reliability of datasets before incorporating them into their projects or analysis. Exploration and analysis. Kaggle provides tools and resources to help users explore and analyze datasets effectively. Users can preview dataset contents, view descriptive statistics, visualize data distributions, and identify patterns or insights using built-in tools or external libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. This exploratory phase is crucial for understanding the data's structure, characteristics, and potential challenges before proceeding with further analysis or modeling. Collaboration and knowledge sharing. Kaggle's dataset repository facilitates collaboration and knowledge sharing among users. Users can share insights, analysis scripts, and visualization techniques related to specific datasets through kernels, Jupyter notebooks, or discussions, contributing to the collective learning and expertise of the community. Collaborative projects, competitions, and research initiatives often leverage Kaggle datasets as foundational resources, fostering interdisciplinary collaboration and innovation. Learning and skill development. Access to diverse datasets on Kaggle provides valuable opportunities for users to enhance their data science and machine learning skills. Users can practice data pre-processing, feature engineering, modeling, and evaluation techniques on real-world datasets, gaining practical experience and proficiency in the field. Additionally, exploring and analyzing datasets on Kaggle exposes users to different data formats, structures, and challenges, broadening their understanding and problem-solving abilities. In summary, Kaggle's dataset repository serves as a rich source of data for exploration, analysis, and learning in various domains of data science and machine learning. Whether you are a beginner looking to gain hands-on experience or an experienced practitioner seeking real-world datasets for research or projects, Kaggle provides a wealth of resources to support your endeavors. Absolutely, Kaggle kernels play a crucial role in facilitating data exploration, model development, and collaboration within the Kaggle community. Let's delve deeper into the key features and functionalities of Kaggle kernels. Jupyter Notebook Environment. Kaggle kernels provide a Jupyter Notebook environment directly within the browser, allowing users to write, execute, and visualize code in Python or seamlessly. Jupyter Notebooks offer an interactive and exploratory platform for data analysis, modeling, and visualization, making it well suited for data science and machine learning tasks. Data exploration and analysis. Kernels enable users to perform data exploration and analysis tasks, such as loading datasets, inspecting data distributions, visualizing trends, and identifying patterns. User can leverage popular data science libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and scikit-learn to manipulate data, perform statistical analysis, and generate visualizations within the notebook environment. Model development and evaluation. Kernels provide a flexible environment for developing machine learning models, from data pre-processing and feature engineering to model training, evaluation, and tuning. Users can experiment with various algorithms, techniques, and hyperparameters, iteratively refining their models based on performance metrics and insights gained from exploratory analysis. Collaboration and sharing. One of the key features of Kaggle kernels is the ability to share notebooks with others, facilitating collaboration and knowledge sharing within the community. Users can publish their kernels publicly or privately, allowing others to view, comment, fork, and remix their code. Collaboration features enable users to work together on projects, share insights, discuss techniques, and learn from each other's approaches. Version control and reproducibility. Kernels support version control using Git, allowing users to track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate with others more effectively. Version history and diffs provide transparency and accountability, ensuring reproducibility and facilitating peer review of code and analysis. Educational resources and tutorials. Kaggle kernels serve as educational resources and tutorials for users at all skill levels. Users can explore publicly available kernels to learn new techniques, best practices, and domain-specific applications in data science and machine learning. Additionally, Kaggle offers courses and challenges that leverage kernels as teaching tools, providing hands-on learning experiences for beginners and advanced practitioners alike. In summary, Kaggle kernels offer a powerful platform for data scientists and machine learning practitioners to develop, collaborate, and share code and analysis. Whether you are exploring datasets, building models, or sharing insights with the community, kernels provide a versatile and interactive environment for data-driven exploration and innovation.